you want to create an amazing dinner tonight that's gluten-free, dairy-free, this slow-cooked beef brisket stroganoff is the answer for your dinner tonight. It is yum. Hi guys, we're going to start by cutting up some fresh parsley and then slicing nice and finely 2 brown onions like so, onto some garlic, 3 garlic cloves diced up. We're going to take the skin off the beef brisket because I need to look after my health, and then chop it into 3cm pieces, pat dry it, and then we're going to season her up with some salt and some cracked black pepper. Make sure that's all nicely in. Now get a skillet on a high heat. I'm using olive oil because I'm looking after my health. I want to live a bit longer. Then we're going to sear our beef brisket off. It needs to be a nice brown colour, and do this in batches. Do not overcrowd the pan because it won't end up good. Pop in some more olive oil, turn the heat right down, let the pan cool a bit, and then you're going to saute your onions off. It's going to take about 5-6 minutes, and I like to season them a little bit with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then you're going to pop in your mushrooms, and then we're going to cook them until they are beautifully cooked and coloured. Pop in your garlic, your tomato paste, give it a bit of a mix. Keep seasoning. Make sure you season your mushrooms with salt and cracked black pepper because it'll taste a lot better. Pop in your sweet paprika, your gluten-free Worcester sauce, and your French mustard. Give that a mix up, cook out that tomato paste, and then pop in your flour. This helps thicken it. Pop in your gluten-free beef stock, and presto, we are looking. Grab yourself an oven-proof dish. Now you can do all this in a slow cooker. Just when we get to the oven-proof dish, whack it into your slow cooker instead. I like to put baking paper and some tin foil over the top.